Hey there, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this Bless This House wine barrel. This project really gives me that farmhouse style kind of feel, and so if you have a similar style in your house, then I think this project is just for you. Let's get started. The first thing you are going to do is paint the wine barrel in an ivory paint. You are going to cover most of the barrel. You want to make sure that your paint is as large as the vinyl that we are going to apply, because we are eventually going to peel up the vinyl and we want it to show this ivory paint. So make sure that it is as big as the vinyl. Don't worry about it looking pretty. This is just going to be a base coat. We will eventually paint the whole barrel in a gray paint, so just don't worry about how this ivory paint looks. Paint one coat, let it dry, and then you're going to paint a second coat after that. Once the second coat dries, you are then going to apply your vinyl. To apply vinyl, you will take the end of your paintbrush and apply pressure to the top of the vinyl. Then you will slowly peel up the top layer, taking the vinyl with it. Place the vinyl on top of the wine barrel. Make sure that it's over the top of the ivory paint. Press down with your hands, getting rid of any bubbles, and then you will take the end of that paintbrush again and apply pressure to all of the vinyl. Then you will slowly peel up the paper, making sure that the vinyl is sticking to the wine barrel. If it's not, you can always go back and apply more pressure to the top of the vinyl. And now with gray paint, you are going to go over the top of the ivory paint and the vinyl. You are going to paint most of the top of the wine barrel. You want the edges to be kind of distressed, and so that's why we're using this bristle brush. We don't want a smooth line. We want it to have that distressed look. You'll go over the entire top of it, let it dry, and then you'll probably have to add a second or third coat. While waiting for the paint to dry, you will grab your 2 greenery stems. You are going to cut off the excess stem at the bottom. You want to cut off right at the spot where the extra stems kind of split off. You're going to place the stems on the left side of the wine barrel. You want the ends of the stems to be overlapping with one another. You are then going to grab some jute to hold the pieces of greenery together. You are going to wrap it around the greenery many times until it covers all of the stem. Glue down the excess jute to secure it at the end, and then you can cut off any of the extra jute. Next, you are going to adhere your greenery to the side of the wine barrel. You'll start by gluing down the jute and then setting it down on the left side of the wine barrel. You will then take your hot glue and go down the eucalyptus, gluing down the pieces to the edge of the wine barrel. If there are places where you can see the hot glue, you will then do your best to try to glue down a leaf to cover up the hot glue. Make sure that the paint has dried completely, and then you are going to grab an X-Acto knife or 8 tweezers, something that will help you peel up the vinyl. Make sure that you do this slowly and peel off each piece of vinyl. Make any adjustments to the greenery that you may need. I had to glue down some extra leaves just so that they didn't cover up the words. And then after that, your wine barrel is now ready to be hung up and displayed. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the products needed to make this project at craftsdirect.com/projects.